Welcome to R4 Mississippi Thunder. Thank y'all for tuning in and coming back to watch the show here. We are going to be today, we're going to have a little install video. On the table here we've got the Ruger AR-556. We're going to be installing a Lucid red dot sight. It's the HD7 Gen III. And also from Lucid I have the Magnifier. And I believe it's the only magnifier on the market that's adjustable. This one goes from 2 to 5 power. So I was very interested to see how that does. First, in order to get these two on here, we don't have enough rail space. So we have to install a new grip here. And as you can see, Ruger has that threaded delta ring, so that makes it easy to fool with. Get that grip off. I'm going to put on a Troy Industries Battle Ready drop-in M4 rail. And it is a it's a quad rail. First, we got to take it apart because it's screwed together. So, ease these screws out of here. Alright, believe that'll get it. Splits right in half there. We're gonna prop this up. Drop on the top rail. In the top rail, drop it in. Alright. We're going to drop in the bottom rail. I think, or maybe I need to do the bottom then the top. Maybe that'll work better. Let's see. Kind of semi at the same time. Okay. Go ahead and tighten those down. Okay. Then we're going to snug up the delta ring there. That way she gives a good flat top rail there all the way down to the front sights. Okay, now let's see about where we want this. Actually, I'm going to put the magnifier on first. Let me get the... This is the mount they recommend for swing-off mounts from American Defense Manufacturing. Lower 1/3 co-witness, because the red dot here is set up for lower 1/3 co-witness. I'm going to put it on first. Make sure the mounting screws are good and tight. Let's see, flip this up. Flip this on. Flip it back. Just good and tight there. Wait, let's see. I think. Actually, I'm going to put it on this way. That might need to be flipped around. I want it right over the ejection port where that handle comes in. Just take this off and flip that around. To where when it flips, it'll flip that way. And the handle will be on, let's see. Okay, I apologize. I did stop the video for a minute. Tried to figure out how to flip this around. I wanted the little lever, when it's locked, to be back away from the ejection port instead of being on top of it. And plus my wife had dinner ready when I stopped the video, so I had to partake in that. I didn't want to not eat dinner because I don't miss very many meals. Alright. So, oh, okay. I put the magnifier on. I was trying to get, let's see, that top. I want this set up kind of with good eye relief. So, let's see. I kind of want a little space in between them. If I mount it any further back, the way the AR flat top goes, it's going to be too close to it. So, I think we're going to go right there. Snug this down. And this mount, the way it does, it actually flips out of the way. I'm going to tighten it up just to snug it down just a little bit. Yeah, so this will flip to the side. You have the red dot, and it's still 1/3 lower, or lower 1/3 co-witness. So when you flip up the iron or the rear iron sight, you can still see in the very lower part of it, you can see the front iron sight. So, all right, so I've got it on there. I'm going to tighten everything down. Make sure everything is good and snug. What?
20% battery.
Is it still working?
Yeah. Okay. Maybe on the video, can you hear me?
video can hear you. Alright, so I got that tightened up. Then I'm just gonna snug this down. I don't want to over tighten for the magnifier. And once you get all this put on, the magnifier has an adjustment. So once you sight in the red dot, then you can adjust the magnifier to center up the red dot in the center of the field of view of the magnifier. So that's kind of cool. So tighten that back up. Alright, got it all latched down. Everything looks pretty good. So there is the install of that. How do you think? I think she looks pretty good looking like that. Alright, well thank y'all for watching this little install video. And we're going to take this out, do some shooting, get this thing bore sighted, and then sight it up and get it sighted in. And so y'all be seeing a little bit more of this rifle here in future videos. Well, thank you for watching R4 Mississippi Thunder, and thank you for tuning in, and hit that like button if you like the video, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you'll know when I put out more content. So we will see you next time. God bless America.